Hello everyone, I hope you are doing great. In today's video, we are going to solve a math question that confuses a lot of people. Let me ask you first, can you solve it? If you think you know the answer, drop it in the comments. Now, many people get this question wrong because they use an incorrect method. Here's what they do. They solve 4 divide 2 and get 2. Then again 4 divided 2 gives us 2. And then divided 2 divide 2 to get 1. But this answer is completely wrong. Why? Because it ignores the order of operations, also known as the PEMDAS rule. According to PEMDAS, we solve problem in this order: parentheses, exponents, multiplication and division, and finally addition and subtraction. Remember, multiplication and division have same priority and are solved from left to right. The same rule applies to the addition and subtraction. Most importantly, multiplication always comes before addition and subtraction. Now let's solve this question the correct way. Because according to order of operations, when we have more than one division in an expression, we have to work from left to right. So here, first we have to do this division, then this division, and finally this division. If we do this division before this division, it's wrong. So first we have to do this division. 4 divide 2 equals 2. So 2 divide 4, then divided by 2. Now first we have to do this division. 2 divide 4 can be written as 2 over 4, then divided by 2. Okay. Now according to the KCF rule, K stands for keep, C stands for change, and F stands for flip. We can write keep the first fraction change division to multiplication and flip the second fraction. So 2 over 4 then times 1 over 2. We can easily cancel this 2 and this 2. So we have just 1 over 4 or 0.25, and this is our final answer to this problem. The correct answer is 0.25. If you enjoyed this explanation, make sure to like and share this video. It might help someone avoid a common math mistake.